Upgrading your home in New Orleans isn't just about adding charm, it's about increasing your property's value and market appeal. One of the smartest investments homeowners can make is replacing old, inefficient windows. Whether you're preparing to sell or want to boost long-term equity, new windows offer substantial financial and lifestyle benefits. Here's how window replacement can elevate your home's value in the Big Easy. Boosting curb appeal. Curb appeal matters, especially in a visually rich city like New Orleans, where historic charm and architectural style are on full display. Old, worn-out windows can drag down your home's exterior appearance, making it look dated or neglected. In contrast, new windows, whether you choose sleek modern frames or traditional wood styles that match the French Quarter aesthetic, instantly update your home's look. Buyers often form first impressions before stepping inside. With new windows, your home appears more cared for, stylish, and move-in ready. In a competitive real estate market, that kind of visual edge can translate into stronger offers. Enhancing energy efficiency. New Orleans summers are hot and humid. Homes with outdated, drafty windows struggle to keep cool air in and hot air out, leading to higher energy bills. Modern energy-efficient windows are designed with low-E glass, argon gas insulation, and advanced sealing technology. These features reduce the strain on your air conditioning and help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. For prospective buyers, lower utility bills are a major selling point. According to real estate professionals, energy efficiency is one of the top features homebuyers seek. By replacing your windows, you're not only improving comfort but also showcasing your home as a cost-effective, environmentally conscious choice. Increasing resale value. Window replacement has one of the best returns on investment, ROI, among home improvement projects. National reports often show homeowners recouping over 70% of the project cost upon resale. In high-demand neighborhoods of New Orleans like Lakeview, Uptown, or the Garden District, that figure can be even higher due to the added aesthetic and performance value. Buyers love turnkey homes, and new windows suggest fewer maintenance concerns down the road. Instead of seeing your property as a fixer-upper, buyers will view it as a move-in ready gem, meaning more offers and a faster sale at a better price. Reducing noise in busy areas. New Orleans is a vibrant city, but that vibrancy comes with street noise, especially in busy areas like Mid-City, the Marigny, or near bustling thoroughfares. Replacing windows with double or triple pane glass significantly reduces outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful interior. This acoustic insulation is particularly attractive to buyers looking for a serene home environment. Whether you're near a streetcar line or live music venue, modern windows can turn your house into a quiet retreat. Providing modern functionality and safety. Many older New Orleans homes have original single-pane windows that are hard to open, don't lock properly, or let in drafts and moisture. Replacing them improves more than aesthetics. It enhances safety, functionality, and protection from the elements. New windows offer stronger locks, easier operation, and features like tilt-in sashes for effortless cleaning. Plus, they can better withstand storms and rain, an essential advantage in a city prone to hurricanes. Buyers want peace of mind, and modern windows provide exactly that. Making a lasting impression. Ultimately, window replacement is about value, both financial and practical. In New Orleans, where charm and climate go hand in hand, modernizing your windows is a powerful way to make your home more attractive, efficient, and marketable. Whether you're staying long-term or planning to sell soon, it's a smart investment that pays dividends in comfort, cost savings, and curb appeal. When you upgrade your windows, you're not just improving your house, you're elevating your lifestyle and future resale potential. For New Orleans homeowners, that's a winning combination.